Hi friends, this video is going to be on Clobevate Cream. Clobevate Cream is made by Stifel Pharmaceuticals and it has Clobetasol 0.05% in it. It's 20 gram and the price for one cream is 86 rupees. Clobetasol topical is used to treat the itching, redness, dryness, crusting, scaling, inflammation and discomfort of various scalp and skin conditions, including psoriasis, a skin disease in which red scaly patches form on some areas of the body, and eczema, a skin disease that causes the skin to be dry and itchy and to sometimes develop red scaly rashes. Clobetasol is in a class of medications called corticosteroids. It works by activating natural substances in the skin to reduce swelling, redness and itching. Clobetasol topical comes as a cream, gel, ointment, lotion, foam and spray for use on the skin and as solution. The shampoo to apply to the scalp. This is a cream and are usually applied twice daily. Clobetasol shampoo is usually applied once daily. Follow the directions on your prescription label carefully and ask your doctor or pharmacist to explain any part you do not understand. Use Clobetasol topical exactly as directed. Do not apply more or less of it or apply it more often than prescribed. Clobetasol before using Clobetasol foam the first time, carefully read the written instructions that come with it. Ask your doctor or pharmacist to explain any part you do not understand. This medication is only for use on the skin. Do not let Clobetasol topical get into your eyes or mouth and do not swallow it. Avoid using in the genital and rectal areas and in skin creases and armpits unless directed by your doctor. Do not apply other skin preparations or products on the treated area without talking with your doctor. Some side effects of Clobetasol include burning, itching, irritation, redness, dryness of skin, acne, tiny red bumps or rash around the mouth, small white or red bumps on the skin, bruising or shiny skin, red or purple blotches or lines under the skin, thin, fragile or dry skin, changes in skin color. Children who use Clobetasol topical may have an increased risk of side effects including slowed growth and delayed weight gain. Talk to your child's doctor about the risks of applying this medication to your child's skin. Clobetasol topical may cause other side effects. Call your doctor if you have any unusual problems with this medication. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.